What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're gonna talk about how to choose the right yoga pants for you. Well, there are many different types of yoga pants, many different variations to choose from nowadays. They have become very popular during the past few years for good reasons, because they are high performance, high quality and provide a lot of comfort. If you are looking to practice an intense workout or wear them as casual clothing, it is all possible with yoga pants. So let me share with you a few tips on how to choose the right yoga pants for you. Before we move on to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the button down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a video. We talk about yoga and healthy living every day on this channel, so make sure you come back. How to choose the right pair of yoga pants for you? Well, first of all, you have to know how you're gonna use them. If you're gonna do yoga or going to the gym, an intense workout such as running, or if you're gonna just wear them as casual dress. It is all possible with yoga pants. But if you have at first an idea on how you want to use them and what for, then it will be a lot easier to choose the right fit for you. There are many different types of yoga pants. Some of them are very loose, such as RM pants or leggings for more comfortable fit, and some are very tight, such as compression wear. Compression wear is great if you want to speed up recovery, provide with your muscles and your legs great support, and also activate all your nerves and increase blood circulation in your legs. These are great for athletes and if you want to do any type of intense workout, such as an intense yoga session or going to the gym. If you want a more comfortable fit, then you can choose the same but size up or wear a more baggy looking type of clothes. It's all possible with yoga pants. It all depends on what you're looking for. Then you have to look at what kind of fabric do you want. Do you want something that is very warm or that will keep your body cool? Synthetic fabrics such as polyester are great because they feel comfortable. They are four-way stretch for most of quality fabrics, which means they will fit perfectly on how your body is shaped. But they are also breathable, very comfortable, and can keep your body cool when you sweat and when you're doing an intense workout sessions. If you choose something such as cotton, for example, it's better to wear cotton when the weather is cold and when you're not doing an intense physical activity to keep your body warm. But cotton will absorb sweat and is not as much breathable as most sportwear and activewear clothing made of synthetic fabrics, such as polyester blend with spandex or lycra, for example. Then you have to look at what length you are looking for. Capri pants are a possibility, or you can choose full-length yoga pants as well to cover all your legs, provide great support for your waist, but also up into your feet as well. If you want to choose a synthetic fiber, synthetic fabrics are great because they are high quality, but they can also be made of eco-friendly materials. Many synthetic fabrics are made of recycled bottles, for example, or recycled polyester as well, which means that it is eco-friendly and you will do something great for your body, but also for your environment, for the planet as well. So this is great if you want to be more conscious about your environment and live a clean and healthy lifestyle. Once you know exactly what you're looking for, you can look at what kind of color and what kind of pattern do you love. It's very important that you pick yoga pants that you love wearing, that you feel comfortable in, and that you enjoy wearing on a daily basis. It will not only make you feel comfortable but also more confident, provide you with great support and freedom of movement as well. Even if you are only wearing them as casual dress, it's very important that you choose comfortable clothing, and also if you are looking to do a very difficult and intense workout, then it's a lot more important to pick clothes that fit you perfectly. So that's why choose colors and patterns that suit you best, that suits your personality, other element of your wardrobe or your fashion sense as well. With synthetic fabrics, you can, with many different printing techniques, have colors and patterns that fit your fashion sense perfectly. There are many different to choose from out there. Many different patterns, many different colors, and you will certainly, if you keep looking, find something that suits your style perfectly. Also look for an elastic waist. I highly recommend elastic waist, especially if you're gonna do yoga, because elastic waist provide great support. It maintains your yoga pants in place while you do many difficult and complicated positions, and also it will avoid any discomfort around your waist as well. Also make sure that the fabric that you're looking at will be high quality. You don't want your yoga pants to become transparent as you bend over or as you're doing any type of squat. So that's why I highly recommend that you pick a high quality material. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on your first pair of yoga pants if you are completely new to this topic, but you can find high quality yoga pants that will fit you like a second skin and that will last you a long time for just below $100. Also, keep in mind that the more you wear yoga pants, the more comfortable it will feel, because the fabric will need time to adapt to your body, and the more you wear them, the more you wash them, and the more you feel comfortable with them as well. It can take a few weeks till the pair of yoga pants that you're wearing adapt to how your body is shaped, and then it will feel even more comfortable after a few workout sessions. So I highly recommend yoga pants for everybody. If you want to find high quality yoga pants that are breathable but also sweat wicking, 4-way stretch for maximum comfort, which are also fashionable with many different types of colors and something that will suit your body and your fashion sense perfectly, you can head to our website panaprium.com. There you will find many types of leggings and yoga pants available, which are affordable but also very high quality, eco-friendly and made sustainably. So I highly recommend that you check out our yoga pants collection. Head to our website, the link is in the description box down below. Thank you for watching this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to comment down below if you have any question on this topic. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.